guys, welcome. World Bank sanctions rupees 3 crore for developing India's first sand dune park in Goa. Now in this video, we learn about sand dune parks, coastal sand dunes ecosystem, soft hardened relocation, sand erosion control techniques. This project was proposed by State Biodiversity Board of Goa. Under this project, sand dune parks will be established. Interpretation centers will be established. In interpretation centers, visitors will be educated and imparted knowledge about sand dunes ecosystem, problems of biodiversity loss. They will be sensitized about these issues, and in sand dune parks, you will find this nature-friendly material built bridges. These will be constructed. These bridges will help controlling the trampling of soil that happen when people are moving on beaches. You can find different vehicles moving on beaches sometimes, and however this vehicular movement is not allowed, still people bring their vehicles and the vegetations are affected. So these bridges will help control these problems of trampling, and nurseries of sand dunes vegetation will be set up. Now vegetation will be set up in these parks, like you can see in this picture. This is a sand dune park. This picture is of Manhattan Beach in US. You will find this park, there are plants grown. So likewise in India also, these nurseries and vegetations will be set up. These are Morjim and Galgi Baga Beach, where this park has to be established. Both the beaches are known for their turtle nestling. This is olive ridley turtle. This is olive ridley turtle species. It is found only in few beaches of Goa, and it is also found in Gahir Mutt Marine Sanctuary that we have in Orissa. So this is endangered species. So these both the beaches are known for these turtle nesting. So this was first sand dune park project from India. However, we have already few other projects, like we have this in Ratnagiri in Maharashtra. This beach has these vegetations are grown along the beach. Artificial sand dunes are created. So this project was financed by ADB. So this project was under Asian Development Bank. Also in Karnataka government has also started different projects, like we can see in this news. It is from January this year. So 20-kilometer shoreline in Uttar Kannada district. Here plants will be grown, palm trees and different plants will be grown to give these sand dunes stability from high tide and erosion. So these are soft erosion control techniques, because these sand dunes and these vegetations are very significant in times of storm. They release sand during storm conditions and they reduce the magnitude of tidal waves. They act as a barrier to inundation to the tidal waters. They act as a barrier, so they are also called as natural defense at coastal areas. We also have some hard erosion control techniques. We say hard engineering. So in this picture you can see seawall is constructed. However, different environmentalists and activists do not support hard engineering techniques, but we are using different hard engineering techniques in some beaches of India. We also have relocation technique, in which simply we relocate the infrastructure development from the coastal areas. So here we have in India different coastal regulation zones where construction is not allowed. Construction and different infrastructure development activities are not permitted. They are controlled. So still we find different cases of beach sand mining that harms the sand ecosystem at beaches, and also of driving on beaches. Cases of driving we find, although vehicular movement on the beaches is not allowed, still people take their vehicles to the beaches. And also these shacks. So these shacks you will find in Goa. So these are huts that are created. So these are made up of woods, but there are restaurants established, and in nights, in evenings, you will find music is playing and people are dancing on the sands. And this also harms the sand ecosystem, because they trample the sand beneath their feet while dancing on the beaches. We also find garbage that is spread over the beaches. So this garbage problem is everywhere. You can see this is all plastic, and we know how badly it can affect the marine ecosystem, the vegetation, and everything. So I request you guys to please respect the nature, please respect the Mother Earth, be a responsible citizen, be a responsible tourist. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and keep watching our videos. Have a great day.